This is Matt Perry of Perry Window Cleaning. We do clean out gutters. We're primarily window cleaners, but gutters are something that needs to be cleaned out to help prevent water damage. We have noticed many failed gutter covers, but we do offer that as well. And we're here to show you an install of what we like for the gutter covers. We've done a good handful of these and no issues. This is Dewey, my son-in-law, my right-hand man, my crew chief. He's installing gutter covers on a garage. Since the hidden hangers are about 3 feet apart and we have 4-foot sections, we're going to build a little bit of support on the fascia part of the gutter, and then we'll use self-tapping screws to fasten it down to the front part of the gutter.
From the downspout, like on this side of the downspout to right here. So you got about like this much. And then I'm watching the and on that small side, I do the rest up here. I'll stay up here.
Shingle dust.
Wait for the gutter rock. Or gutter
I don't think ours has blue tie strings. I think that's hers.
It's her bag.
That's her bag. It's her bag.
Well, dude, slow down.
Woo, windy.
Hey, man, stop blowing.
It says, in your face.
The answer, my friend, is not blowing in that wind.
I am taking video, by the way.
Yes, my crew does have fun while they work. This house had some gutter covers that were shoved up under the shingles, similar to the ones you see in the pictures, that have failed. That's why we're here to clean out the gutters and also install a partial gutter covers as they can afford it.
Yeah, they just shoved them up in the shingles and screwed them to the edge. There's screw holes to screw them to the back wall, but they didn't do it.
Can somebody hand me a tool?
30 seconds, I'll have a drill for you.
Okay. And I need somebody to get that little part right there. There's still some stuff in it. Right here. Just this small part. And there's a tiny little bit of stuff right there. That's out of my reach.
That's the thing, it's cheap gutter garbage.
Here at Perry Window Cleaning, we are happy to clean out your gutters, but gutter covers are another option, and we just thought we'd show you how it gets installed, and the decision is yours. But we'll be glad to come out spring and fall whenever you need us to clean out your gutters. Thank you so much for watching.
Utilizing 100% pure water cleaning, Perry Window Cleaning is the name to trust when you want your windows to sparkle. Residential or commercial, we can clean windows, skylights, solariums, mirrors, even glass canopies and chandeliers. Our state-of-the-art system and expert team make the difference. Ask us about gutter cleaning too. We're known for our spotless reputation and attention to detail. Call us and put our over 10 years of experience to work for you.